Hello friends, this is Jimmy Singh, broker owner of Supermax Realty, 647-961-2639. Friends, in this video I would like to discuss sales stats for the month of October 2020 for Greater Toronto Area market. So we're gonna divide this video in 416 areas, which is Toronto and surrounding communities like Peel, Halton, York, Durham, and those markets as well. So recently, the biggest trend what we are noticing is there's a big shift from 416 areas to 519 communities, which is Kitchener-Waterloo, London, those areas, and also 905 areas. So a lot of people are looking from to move and get a bigger space. Work from home trend is also very prevalent. So recently, as per Toronto Regional Real Estate Board, they said we have fourth month in a row with sales increasing. We have 25.1% more sales as compared to October of 2019 same month. So last month we have 10,563 sales, which versus last year same month we have 8,445 sales, and out of 10,563 sales, 905 area have bulk of the sales. Majority of the sales, 7,049 happened in 905 areas, and in 416 areas total sales were 3514. 416 meaning Toronto, 905 meaning surrounding areas like Hamilton and other regions. And recently, Conference Board of Canada, they said they are predicting from 2020 to 2024. They said Canada can easily expect 2 million immigrants, foreign immigrants, to move to Canada. And then recently there was a news that the federal government plans to bring 1.2 million immigrants for the next 3 years. So friends, the reason of the crazy price growth in around Toronto area is obviously because of green belt legislation, which is making hard for builders to develop the lands, and the cost of acquisition is getting higher as well. At the same time, material cost, lumber cost, labor shortage, everything is adding to the rising prices. And obviously we are already seeing economic recovery in certain sectors, low borrowing cost, and pent up demand from lot of people because of the lockdown. So I reckon weather is still very beautiful. As you can see, we are sitting in fall and it's beautiful sun. I have still a little bit sweat on my forehead, so you can see because of the good weather, unexpected mother nature is helping. So a lot of people are still out there looking for houses. On my listings, I'm still getting calls, and I'm busy with buyers as well, putting offers. And especially majority of the markets, whether it's London, Hamilton, Kitchener-Waterloo, Brampton, Mississauga, Oshawa, starter home markets still have offer dates set up by listing brokers, and they are seeing multiple offers still. So at the end of the day, guys, low rise market is especially very strong. What I'm telling is mostly single detached homes, and all across we are seeing double digit price growth in GTA neighborhoods. So for example, in October of 2020, if I see year over year change for the MLS system home price index for a single detached home in Halton region, which is Milton, Burlington and Oakville area, single family detached are up 12.74%, and in Halton, townhouses year over year are up 14.57%, and apartment condos in Halton region are up 11.06%. So if I see year over year for October 2020 for Peel region, which is Mississauga, Brampton, Caledon, prices are up 12.48%. Townhouses are up 13.17%, and apartments are up 10.3%. And for the city of Toronto, single family detached prices are up 10.69%, and townhouses are up 10.96, and the condos are up year over year 4.55%. For the York region, Vaughan, King City, and surrounding neighborhood, Richmond Hill, Markham, the prices are up 12.65% for a single detached home. Townhouses are up 12.15%. Apartments are up 9.57%. And for the East End, Durham, Oshawa, Pickering, those areas, single detached are up, 17.84%. Townhouses are up 20.44%, and apartments are up 12.23%. So as friends, you can see the trend is basically pointing to low rise demand. Buyers are very bullish, and obviously now US elections are also done. So I reckon consumer confidence is high at this point of time. I don't see negativity in the market because obviously interest rate, immigrants, there's like plethora of factors that drive real estate market, but consumer confidence is very, very critical. As we know, when the COVID lockdown happened, a lot of people lost confidence. They thought market is going to crash. So people still that time had jobs, but they're holding on to the money looking for a deal. And obviously the deal never happened, right? And if we talk about GTA, MLS home price index was up 10.8% year over year in the month of October 2020, and average selling price is up 13.7%, which is hovering around $968,318 for all property types average. And if I break it down for 416 area versus 905, so year over year price for a semi in 416 area is up 11.2%. For townhouse in 416 area is 4.8%, and apartment is up 4.1%. And if I talk about 905 areas, semis are up 18.0%. Detached are up 18%. Semis are up 15.4%. Townhomes are up 13.5%. And apartments are up 6.8% for 905 areas. And the same if I see the sales in 905 areas, detached sales for the October 2020 year over year are up 39% for detached homes, 33.7% for semi-detached, 36.6% for townhouses, and 28.4% for apartment buildings. Versus if I compare 416 Toronto area, apartment condo sales are down 8.5% negative, and detached sales are up 19.6%. So friends, the crux of it is basically people are looking for value, and a lot of investors and buyers I'm dealing right now, I'm guiding them, don't take real estate as a commodity. Look at a long-term, wealth creation tool. So if you're renting and you see the interest rate is low and your job is secure, you have financial stability, you can create wealth by owning versus throwing money for a rent long term, right? So this trend I don't see, right now for the balance of the year, November, December, I think it's going to keep going 1% minimum, every month, because I'm still looking at multiple offers, shortage of supply, and builders are holding on to the inventory because of the increase in lumber cost. So I reckon they'll release more new lots or, new buildings, probably, in February, March, and I think we'll be fine. So for the past 4 months, friends, I have consistently noticed 10,000 plus sales every month. October, August, if you go back 4 months, so sales are consistently 10,000, and that is pretty much average for last 10 years. In 1 year in GTA, 100,000 houses sell. So on average, in a good market, 10,000 homes sell in GTA. And obviously, in a typical year, October, we see the in fall market we see the trend slowing down a bit. But as I said, we are blessed with the beautiful weather in Canada, especially here in GTA, and I see the trend going on. And friends, if you have any questions regarding real estate or concern, feel free to leave a message at my YouTube channel, Real Estate Edge with Jimmy Singh. I'll revert back to you, reply back. And if you're a seller, looking to move up to a bigger property or downsize, your family needs have changed, and you're looking for experienced real estate broker servicing Greater Toronto Area, Golden Horseshoe. I've been helping my clients for last 15 years fetch top dollar for their property. So whether you live in Brampton, Mississauga, Hamilton, London, Niagara Falls, Oshawa, Pickering, and you want a free market evaluation, give me a call. My number is 647-961-2639, and we offer comparative commission plans. And if you buy and sell at the same time, we will save you thousands of dollars. Thanks for watching. God bless you.